Hi, I'm Dinah Wolf with DIY Inspired, and today I'm going to share with you how to make these DIY wood lanterns to house your thrift store vases. We are going to make these custom lanterns to fit these various vases that I have saved from flower deliveries or have purchased from thrift stores for just a couple dollars. For this project, you'll need some scrap plywood and a 1/2-inch square wood dowel, which can be cut with a handsaw. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a small lantern. So this base is 5 by 5 inches. The sides are 6.5 inches tall. The tops are 2 5 inches and 2 4-inch pieces, and the bottom is also 2 5-inch and 2 4-inch pieces as well. I found that hot glue works really well for the base part. It dries quickly and it adheres very well. Now for the sides, you're going to use an industrial strength adhesive to glue the sides on. Now you want these to dry for 24 hours and then it will look like this. Lastly, we're gonna glue the top on. Allow it to dry for 24 hours. Another option for these lanterns is to start with the top instead of the bottom and use a nail gun to nail the sides and top in. Once your lantern is all together, you want to stain it to your desired stain color. I chose Kona. Make sure you protect your hands with gloves. Another option to using a rag is to use a brush, but I think it's much easier to use a rag. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on these easy DIY wood lanterns to house your thrift store vases. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.